Have you tasted mango curry? Yes, you heard it right. It's mango curry. Well, small correction. It's a raw mango curry. Have you ever tasted it? If not, come on, guys. Let's do it and taste it. So, I am VGPG DJ with your favorite channel, Foods Memory. Let's prepare mango curry or raw mango curry along with drumsticks. For this we require, along with the raw mango, let's have some tomatoes cut in square shapes, and green chilies, smaller green chilies split, and yeah, of course we will take some tur dal, wash it and then put some water, and let's add the raw mangoes and tomatoes and green chilies to cook it. We'll cook it in a cooker for some 2-3 whistles. Before that, let's add some curry leaves and 1 teaspoon, or rather 1 small spoon of turmeric powder, and 1 spoon of oil. Just stir it before, so that the oil, since we have added it oil, it doesn't stay on the top. Let's stir it and add some water, and then let's cook it. At the first stage, we will make it for 3 whistles. After that, we will add it drumsticks. Okay, just make sure the cooker is cooled down or the steam has been evaporated, and then we will add the drumsticks for this already cooked dal along with the raw mango. After adding the drumstick, we will cook it with for 1 whistle. Mix it well, and then let's keep it for cooked and wait for 1 whistle. Meanwhile, we can prepare it for tadka. So make sure whatever you are stirring it with any of the spatulas, make sure you wash or rinse the spatula, so that all the masalas on the spatulas goes down to the curry, so that we don't miss any of the taste, because the taste lies at the end. So now you can see that the after the 1 whistle it has been cooked, we can top it with coriander leaves, and then stir it, and then we can consume it as is. Don't forget to add rock salt as per your taste. We can consume it as is, but to give it a different taste, let's add some tadka. So what is my suggestion is for you guys that you divide the curry into 2 portions. One portion you keep it as a without tadka, and another half portion you add tadka, so that you get 2 different flavors of the same recipe or same ingredient curry. So, and you will definitely love my this technique, and then you will appreciate it. While appreciating, definitely you will make sure that you share it with everyone, this recipe and this technique which is shared by VGPJDJ. And the tadka is done as usual. You people are all expert for the tadkas. So with this tadka, you just mix it with the second portion and taste it with ragi ball, chapati or rice. Anything is good. It really tastes awesome on the rice, and this is a seasonal curry because raw mango you get it only during the summer, and it's a summer special, and we are special to get you the special curries or the dishes or the foods for our special viewers. Okay everyone, enjoy the tangy curry flavored with the drumstick and rice. I hope you have loved it and liked it. If so, subscribe, share, comment and like it. Thank you for watching. See ya.